Alright, this little bird I was just doing, she came all the way out of her nest at me to try to keep me away from her eggs. And I don't remember where her eggs are at now. They're back here somewhere. That's like spot them while I'm filming her. I do not know. Go look at her. Check her out. I'm not gonna hurt you, little birdie. I'm not gonna bother your eggs. Really unique, huh? She's leading away from her. Check her out, though. Very interesting. Let's look at her. Off she goes. Is your plan dead? It's a killdeer. That's what they're called. She's acting lame-loaded so she can lure you away from her nest.